one is called the diva dive. This is what we prepared for last time. Just kidding. It's two different moves. It really is. Okay, but similar to, it begins from a lay back, climb it up, and lay back. And again, lead with your head to make it easier to hook that elbow. Elbow hook, same side foot hook, but this time you're going to grab your foot and pull. However that looks. This is your diva dive. Hopefully you can see it. Bring it to brass monkey and take it up from there. All right, I'll do it on the other side so that you can definitely see what's going on. So, come up, sit, lay back, lead with your head, grab with the elbow. Then once you're real secure in this elbow, hook your foot, bring your foot down, and grab. Okay? Then when you're done,